Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to view transit number of Scotiabank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Scotiabank app. Once you open it, be sure to be logged into your account, and once you're logged into your account, you'll be seeing this kind of homepage. Right now, all you gotta do is just select your banking advantage plan, and once you select it, here you'll be seeing this kind of page. Right now, all you gotta do is just tap on the option that says manage, and once you tap on it, you'll be sent to this kind of page. Right now, all you gotta do is select the option that says direct deposit and void check info, and right beside that you'll be seeing an option that says view. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be seeing your details like your account number, institution number, and your transit number. And that's basically how you can view your transit number on Scotiabank app. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.